Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can delete your Banggood account. Well, it's a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So firstly, make sure that you are logged into your Banggood account, and from here tap on your account icon right here, and then tap on the settings icon right here. So then tap on account settings, and from here now tap on delete account. So after doing that, here you have to select this option that says that you agree with their terms and condition of account deletion, and then tap on request account deletion. Then tap on send verification code, and then a verification code will be sent to your email address. Then you can simply just open your email inbox and then put on the verification code that you have gotten, and then tap on verify email. So after doing that, your email verification will successfully be submitted to Banggood, and within few days, your account will successfully be deleted. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.